Close your eyes.
Again.
Again. Close them.
Closed.
You're standing outside an airport, late at night, new city. Your phone battery is at 4%.
A taxi pulls up.
The driver looks at you. You look at him.
He says something.
You don't catch it. Your brain freezes.
You get in anyway.
And hope.
This is me every single time I arrive somewhere new.
Not just airports, buses, trains, metros, rideshares.
Transportation is the moment most English learners panic.
Because you're tired, you're carrying bags, you don't know the city.
And the driver is already moving.
Welcome to English the Natural Way.
I'm Sulafet.
And I'm Charan, episode 5 of the English Survival Series.
50 sentences. Every transportation situation you will ever face.
Taxis, buses, trains, metros, rideshares, even the moments when everything goes wrong.
By the end of today, you will never just get in and hope again.
Let's go. Situation 1, getting a taxi. Sentences 1 through 12.
Situation 1. You need a taxi. You found one. Now what?
Guess before I tell you. You're outside a hotel. A taxi is waiting. You get in. First sentence. Go.
Most learners say the address immediately. Nothing else.
Which works, but misses something important.
Sentence 1. Hi, could you take me to this address, please?
Show your phone with the address. Say this, the driver knows exactly where to go.
Sentence 2. How much will it cost to get there?
Ask this before you start moving, not after you arrive.
I learned this the very hard way.
What happened?
I got in a taxi in a city I didn't know, didn't ask the price, arrived at my hotel, the number on the meter was significant.
How significant?
Let's say I walked everywhere for the rest of that trip.
Sentence 2 before you move? Always.
Sentence 3, is the meter running?
In many cities, taxis use a meter. Make sure it starts when you do.
If the meter isn't running, the price at the end becomes a negotiation you didn't want.
Sentence 4. Could you take the fastest route, please? I'm in a rush.
When time matters, drivers can choose routes. Tell them what you need.
Sentence 5. I'm not in a huge rush. The scenic route is fine if it's easier.
When time doesn't matter. Some scenic routes are genuinely beautiful.
And some are just longer and more expensive.
Sentence 6. Could you turn the air conditioning up a little? It's quite warm.
Your comfort matters. The ride is yours. Ask.
Sentence 7. Could you turn the radio down slightly?
When the music is very loud and you'd prefer quiet.
Politely. Always politely.
Guess before I tell you. You're in the taxi. You realize you left your phone charger at the hotel. You need to go back. What do you say?
Most learners panic, tap the driver, point backwards, and say nothing useful.
Sentence 8. I'm so sorry. Could we go back? I've forgotten something important.
Apologetic, clear. The driver will turn around.
Sentence 9. Could you wait here for 5 minutes? I just need to grab something quickly.
When you need the driver to wait outside while you run in somewhere.
Sentence 10. Could you pull over here, please? I'd like to get out.
When you want to stop before the final destination.
Sentence 11. How much longer do you think it'll take?
When you're watching the time and need to know ASAP.
Sentence 12. Could you give me a receipt, please?
For business trips or when you need to claim the fare back.
Quick challenge. You're in the taxi. The driver is taking a route that seems very long. You're not sure if it's right. What do you say?
Try, excuse me, is this the most direct route? I'm just wondering about the time.
Curious, not accusatory. They'll explain or adjust.
And if they were taking the long way, that sentence usually fixes it immediately.
Stay with us. Situation 3 has the sentence that saves you when your driver can't find your address. It's happened to all of us. And situation 4, Charan has a train story that still keeps me awake at night. Situation 2, ride shares and booking transport. Sentences 13 through 20.
Situation 2. You're not in a taxi. You're in an Uber, a Bolt, a Lyft, any ride-share app.
The sentences are slightly different because the situation is slightly different.
Sentence 13. Hi, are you my driver for Charan?
Confirming the driver. Always check before you get in.
Sentence 14. Could you confirm the destination? I just want to make sure it's correct.
Confirming the drop-off point. Addresses sometimes load incorrectly.
Sentence 15. I've added a stop on the app. Is that okay?
When you need to pick someone up or stop somewhere along the way.
Sentence 16. Could I adjust the destination slightly? The address I need is just around the corner from where it shows.
When the pin isn't quite right and you need a small adjustment.
Sentence 18. I have one large bag. Is that okay for the boot?
Letting the driver know about luggage before they arrive.
Sentence 19. Could we stop briefly at a cash machine on the way?
When you need cash and the driver is happy to pause.
Sentence 20. Thank you so much. I'll leave you a 5-star review.
When the driver was excellent, say it, mean it, do it.
Because drivers depend on those reviews, and a good driver deserves recognition. Situation 3. When things get confusing. Sentences 21 through 28.
Situation 3. The moment we promised.
Your driver can't find you or can't find your destination.
This happens more than anyone admits.
Guess before I tell you. Your driver is circling the block. They call you. They can't find the entrance. What do you say?
Most learners say the address again, slowly, louder, which doesn't help.
Sentence 21. I'm standing right outside the main entrance. There's a blue door. Can you see it?
Specific, visual, landmarked. This is what actually helps a driver find you.
Sentence 22. I think you might be on the wrong street. Could you check the map?
When something looks off, calm, helpful, not blaming.
Sentence 23. Could you call me when you're 1 minute away?
For coordination, especially useful when you're waiting inside somewhere.
Sentence 24. I'm not sure this is the right stop. Could you check?
On a bus or train, when the name doesn't match what you expected.
Sentence 25. I think I may have gotten off at the wrong stop. Could you help me?
Said to a fellow passenger or station staff. Honest, direct, they will help.
Sentence 26. Excuse me, does this route go past the central station?
When you're not completely sure your bus or train goes where you think it does.
Sentence 27. Could you point me to the nearest bus stop?
When you need to find public transport after getting somewhere.
Sentence 28. I think I'm on the wrong platform. Could you check which one I need?
At a train station, ask a staff member. They know instantly.
Quick challenge. You're in a taxi. The driver has been driving for 20 minutes. Something doesn't feel right. You're not recognizing anything from the map. What do you say?
Try. Excuse me, I'm just checking the map and I'm not sure we're going the right way. Could we confirm the address? I have it here on my phone.
Calm, specific, shows the phone, fixes everything.
The train story is next. I warned you.
Situation 4. Buses and trains.
Suifat, the story.
2 years ago, Germany, I needed to take a train from Munich to Berlin.
Straightforward trip.
Very straightforward. 2 cities, 1 train, 3 hours.
What happened?
I got on the train, found my seat, got comfortable. The train moved. I fell asleep.
Naturally.
I woke up 2 hours later, looked outside, mountains.
Munich to Berlin doesn't have mountains.
It does not.
Where were you?
I was in Austria.
Cherin.
I got on the wrong train, in the right station, on the wrong platform.
The sentence you needed was sentence 29. Excuse me, is this the train to Berlin?
5 words before you sit down, before you get comfortable, before you fall asleep.
5 words and I stay in Germany.
Sentence 30. Which platform does the train to Edinburgh leave from?
At the station, before you go anywhere, confirm the platform.
Sentence 31. Is this seat taken?
Before sitting in a reserved seat that isn't yours.
Sentence 32. I have a reservation for seat 24B. I think you might be in my seat.
When someone is in your reserved seat, politely show your ticket.
Sentence 33. Could I put my bag up here?
Before using the overhead storage near someone else's space.
Sentence 34. How many stops until the central station?
Counting down, useful when you don't want to watch the map constantly.
Sentence 35. Could you let me know when we get to Oxford Circle?
Asking a fellow passenger or conductor to alert you. People are almost always happy to help.
Sentence 36. Does this train stop at Paddington or does it go direct?
understanding your route, especially on longer journeys with multiple stops.
Sentence 37. Can I get a single to Oxford, please?
Buying a one-way ticket at the counter or machine.
Quick challenge. You're on a train. You realize you're going the wrong direction. You've been on for 10 minutes. What do you say to the conductor?
Try, excuse me, I think I may have gotten on the wrong train. I need to get to Berlin. What should I do?
Honest, immediate. The conductor will tell you exactly what to do.
Unlike staying on until Austria.
Situation 5. The bus, the metro, public transport at its most useful and most confusing.
Sentence 39. Excuse me, does this bus go to the city center?
Before you get on. Always before you get on.
Sentence 40. Could I have a day pass, please?
When you'll be using transport all day. Almost always better value than single tickets.
Sentence 41. Do I need to tap in and tap out, or just tap in?
Metro systems vary. Oyster card in London, different systems elsewhere. Ask.
Sentence 42. I think my card isn't working. Could you help me?
At the barrier, when the gate won't open, ask immediately. Don't try to squeeze through.
Sentence 43. Is there a bus that goes directly to the airport from here?
Practical, useful, often much cheaper than a taxi.
Sentence 44. Excuse me, could I get off here? I need to press the button.
When you're sitting away from the stop request button and need someone to press it.
Situation 6. Paying, tips, and finishing the journey.
Situation 6. The journey is ending. Money, gratitude, the final moments.
Guess before I tell you. You arrive at your destination. The fare is $20. You only have a 50. What do you say?
Most learners hand over the 50 and hope.
Sentence 45. I only have a 50. Do you have change?
Ask before you hand it over. Some drivers don't carry change.
Sentence 46. Could I pay by card?
Confirming payment method. More taxis and transport now accept card. Always ask.
Sentence 47. Keep the change.
When you want to tip. Simple, warm, universally understood.
Sentence 48. You've been so helpful. Thank you for getting me here safely.
When the driver was genuinely good. Worth saying. Always.
Sentence 49. Could you drop me off just here instead? This corner is actually perfect.
When you spot a better drop-off point than the original address.
Sentence 50. Thank you. Have a great evening.
The simplest close to any journey. Warm, human, remembered.
These last few sentences cost you nothing, and they make a real difference to the person who drove you.
Because driving people around a city all day is hard work.
And a kind word at the end of a ride matters more than most people realize.
The callback. Remember the airport at midnight?
Sharon, the beginning. Airport, night, 4% battery. Driver says something. And I got in and hoped.
If that happened today, right now, what do you do?
The driver pulls up. I open the door. I get in. I say, "Hi, could you take me to this address, please? How much will it cost? And is the meter running?"
3 sentences.
Before the car moves.
And no surprises at the end.
No walking everywhere the rest of the trip.
That's what today was really about.
Not 50 sentences.
The confidence to speak first, to ask before you hope.
Because the information was always available.
You just needed the words to ask for it.
Rapid fire review. Fast. I say the situation. Think the sentence first.
Getting in a taxi, first thing you say.
Hi, could you take me to this address, please?
Before you move, essential question.
How much will it cost to get there?
Driver can't find you.
I'm right outside the main entrance. There's a blue door. Can you see it?
Getting on a train, before you sit.
Excuse me, is this the train to Berlin?
Wrong direction. What do you tell the conductor?
I think I may have gotten on the wrong train. I need to get to Berlin. What should I do?
Arriving. Only have large note.
I only have a 50. Do you have change?
50 sentences, 6 situations, every journey covered.
Final message. Before you go,
Learn 5 of these today.
use them this week. In a taxi, on a bus, on a train, anywhere you're moving.
Then come to the comments. Tell us, where were you going? Which sentence did you use?
We read every comment. We reply to every one.
Next week, Episode 6 of the English Survival Series.
100 sentences for the office. Meetings, emails, presentations, professional English from day one.
Because professional English is its own world entirely.
And most people arrive there without a map.
Subscribe now. Hit the bell. Episode 6, next week.
Learn 5.
Use 5.
Live 5.
And tomorrow,
Use 5 more.
I'm Sulafat.
I'm Sharon.
Keep going.
Keep growing. And next time you get in a taxi,
Ask before you move.